Depending on where you live, you may be limited to certain Pokemon types that you can catch. Plus, finding gyms or PokeStops might also be an issue, which takes away much of the fun. Luckily, there is a simple solution: PokemonGo spoofing using a VPN. We've added links on the video description below so you can access our special discounts, so don't forget to check it out. Changing regions or locations with a mobile app, then utilizing a VPN is typically the way to go. However, PokemonGo has been cracking down on players with different GPS coordinates than what's on their phones, which could result in possible suspensions and bans. This is where spoofing apps and masking modules come in. These apps can help you hide your location from PokemonGo's detection. By combining these two apps, changing locations within the game is pretty easy. With just a few simple steps, you'll be ready for an exciting new Pokemon adventure. Before you proceed, it's important to note that if your device runs Android 9 or higher, you must use a rooted method of spoofing. iPhone and iPad users need to jailbreak their devices in order for this process to work on their devices. Check out the video links in the description for a more in-depth explanation and instructions for both devices. To start, just choose and download a VPN like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or SurfShark. Again, I've linked them in the description below so you can try them out at a discounted rate. Then download and install your GPS spoofing app. Choose your desired VPN server location. For Android users, download and run PokemonGo from Google Play Store. For jailbroken Apple devices, download the app from Cydia, as well as a protector that hides your phone's jailbroken status. We recommend TS Protector. Then, using your GPS spoofing app, explore your new area and catch them all. Spoofing is a great way to explore PokemonGo without having to travel, and it's still legal in 2023. So go ahead and give it a try. Again, we've linked the VPNs we've used in the description below. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. As always, if you like our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.